Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Lincoln MKX. And if your fog lights guys do not work, okay, fog lights do not work on both sides, stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located for the fog lights. Most of you think guys it's located in the fuse box under the hood, but no, it's hidden. And we'll show you where it is. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So I'll go inside, I'm going to turn the fog lights on and I'll see guys, okay, if they work. Check it out now. Okay, we have the key in. Okay, lights, low beams, fog lights. Now we should have guys the fog lights on, okay, and as you can see we have the headlights but no fog lights. Let me show you guys where the fuse is and how to fix that now. First, okay, we need to make sure that we turn all the lights off, turn the ignition or turn the car off if it was running. Next guys, if you come right here next to your steering wheel, okay, you have one fuse box that's a little bit hidden. That fuse box guys, it has one slide here, open it, remove that cover, get it out. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at, it's fuse number 21, okay, and it's this fuse right here. This is the fuse for the fog lights guys. And if you guys need replacement fuses, check out in the description of the video below, you can find the link. Okay, those fuses are very cheap guys, the whole set for unbelievably cheap price, so check it out. Definitely guys, worth the investment. If you have a car, sooner or later you'll be replacing a fuse. So this one is burnt, okay, you can see. I'll grab a new one, push it in. Okay, perfect. Now I'll go ahead, close it now guys. Okay, I'll close the cover, push it in. Perfect, everything's good. Now what we'll do guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on again. Ignition on, headlights, pull the switch for the fog lights, okay, and let's see now if the fog lights work. And as you can see, they do guys, both of them. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.